अस्सलामुअलैकुम। उम्मीद है कि सब व्यूवर्स खैरियत से होंगे, फिट फाट होंगे। जिन्होंने मेरे चैनल अभी तक ब्राउनली टेक्निक को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें और साथ लगे बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि हर मालूमाती वीडियो आप तक फ़ौरन पहुंच सके। चलें जी, चलते हैं हम अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। हमारा आज का टॉपिक है जी, हाउ टू बिल्ड अ पीसी बिगनर गाइड, choice your parts, accessories and the directories are taught Jerry, Germans and James. How to build a PC beginner guide, choose your part, assemble. Table of contents. Build your first PC can be rating the idea of the setting a budget. Budget researching is the best hardware you can buy within that budget, and then finally assembling those components yourself. If can be if can be scary the first few time, but don't worry, everyone include professional out there. Stand where you are. It's all become second nature once you don't it a few time. I will i i will been working on the guides for cute some time now, and I am positive it's all help you build your very own custom PC well-being with the premium on the picking the right PC parts are your build. However, if you already have your parts picked out, skip down to the PC assemble session. You are might also want to keep the following article in mind before divided first hand into the build your first PC. How long does it take to build a PC? How to ground yourself when build a PC? Is it cheap to build your own PC? Well, with all that out of the way, let's start. How to pick component for your PC workstation, gaming PC, office PCS. The part your choice should create of your specific requirement. If this is the beautiful of the custom PC builds, you can modify the configuration, size, budget, and performance to fit your specify use case without conforming of on the absent aspect. Any aspect. Your budget can range from a few $100 to several several thousand. Just rupees based on the PC. PC part how build a PC. That's why you should also you should also spend more get the hundred and perfection that you put to the use. Every PC can be broke down into the seven distribution computer or parts. PC process, motherboard, mainboard, memory, RAM, graphic card, video card, storage, H- HDD, SDD, power supply unit, PSU, case, component, In addition to this part, you needed perfection like mouse, keyboard, and monitor as well. CPU and motherboard. Picking the right connect combination